In this video of PTC Creo Parametric series, we're going to talk about template. Template in PTC Creo Parametric are very confusing. There is a detailing sheet, and then there is a format sheet, and then there is a template. As you know, we already have covered the settings of format and how one can create format in our previous video. In this 123rd video of our PTC Creo Parametric series, we will specifically focus on what is template and how we can utilize it. So the template, I would say, is very helpful when we need to release the design of similar kind of family parts where the features are identical. So let me quickly show you and form one template, and then we're going to utilize it. Okay, so let me click here on new, and then let me select here drawing, and then let's uncheck this default template, and then I'm gonna write EWP template. Now let me click OK, and here now you can define the size of your template. So I'm gonna go with A4 landscape, and then with empty. Probably one can also go with format. So let me actually go with format. So format kind of give you a nice layout, and then in this way you will be making a very less changes. Now in order to create template, what we need to do is we need to go to tools, and then here instead of drawing we need to choose template mode. Okay, so when you hit template, here now you're gonna see template view. So let me click on it, and now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna place general view on the top. And while placing the view, I am also thinking of adding dimensions and then ballooning, and then probably I also would like to define the scale. So here you can define what should be the scale of your part. So in this way you can customize it. And now let me hit here on place view, and we have placed this view on the top. Now let me again place another view, and this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a front orientation view. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on place view. Now after placing these views, I'm gonna click on save, and then maybe I can also create a directory of template, and for the timing I am doing that in my desktop, and then I'm gonna give it a name as template. Now let's save this. Now let me close this. And one setting that one would like to do after, let's say you have created few template and kept in one folder, which is defining the template directory. So this step is optional, I would say, if you are not using it quite often, but let me show you how you can quickly define the template directory. For that, here we already came to configuration editor. Now click on add, and then I'm gonna type template. Now let me click on find, and then this first option is what we are looking for. So now click on browse, and then define the path of your template folder. In my case, this is my path. Let me hit OK and click on add change, and then click on close. Now here again I'm gonna click on export configuration, and then I am going to overwrite my existing configuration. Now the next time, let's say I would like to create a drawing utilizing the template that we have saved, what we can do here is, let's say I would like to create a drawing of this back plate. So this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna utilize the template that we have just created. So let's click here on new, and then drawing. Now I'm gonna deselect this option, and let's keep name as it is, and this time I'm going to select use template. Now let me hit browse here, and then here we can see we are on this directory. Now I'm going to select the template, and then I'm going to hit open. Now again I'm going to click OK, and there we go guys. Here we can see we have created these two views that we have added in our template, and then we can also see the format also being added to this template. And then you can see there are so many details now being added automatically. For example, part name, surface treatment, and so on. Surface treatment value didn't came because we have not defined that parameter, but you can see that other thing. For example, we had defined the scale that we want in our part needs to be 0.5. It is there, and then in this particular view of template we have selected the dimension. So that's how guys we can utilize the template. Maybe this is not the very best example, but what I would say is if you are creating similar kind of parts, then this is one of the very easier way to generate a drawing within few clicks. So template is to create or automate views, while format, as you can see here, exists on outline of the drawing. I hope guys now you will understand the difference between template and format inside PTC Creo Parametric. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such tutorial related to engineering topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.